Hello and welcome to another help video from Flawless POS. In this guide, we will go over the usage of the Calendar tab on your dashboard. It will allow you to see the scheduled service jobs on the calendar and interact with them to quickly get on the needed screen. You can also create various tasks for future dates, including scheduling a promotional campaign that will be sent out at a specified date. First, you will need to enable the Calendar tab in your dashboard settings. We will do so in the tutorial now. If you need a refresher on how to configure your dashboard, please refer to the video tutorial. The link is in the description. Once we open the tab, we will see the calendar. By default, it will show a full month, but you can change to a weekly or daily view in the top right corner. We will now scroll down to June 25th. The calendar shows that there is one service job event for this date. To learn more, we will click on the event. In the open dialog, we are seeing the job number, where it is currently located, customer's name, and the attached sale. We can also open the text communication by pressing the text icon to send an instant text message. If the customer has a birthday or anniversary coming up, you will see this as a customer event on the calendar. By looking at June 27th, we can see the customer's event. Click on it to open the new dialog. Here you will see the customer's name, the name of the event, as well as the last sale they made. You can once again open the text communication with them to send a message. Note that you can click the checkbox to only show customers who have been shopping in your store for the last 5 years if needed. A similar customer event will be shown for the customer's anniversary. To enable all of the above, make sure that the customer profile includes their date of birth as well as the anniversary date. Lastly, you can add various things to the calendar. Simply click the open space on any different date and an event dialog will open. Here you can add a store task, internal or public events, as well as schedule employee vacations to keep track of them. Additionally, you can schedule a marketing campaign by pressing the marketing campaign option. Once you choose this option, the Create Campaign wizard will open. Note that there is a runtime field now which you can configure to decide when to launch your campaign. The rest is configured in the same usual way. Refer to our campaign tutorial if you need any help. Please note that marketing text campaigns require double opt-in, meaning that the user will need to confirm their subscription to the marketing text. That's it for the usage of the Calendar tab. Thanks for watching.